Okay guys, today looks like an absolutely beautiful day to head down to the beach. Look at how gorgeous it is. Oh yeah. And not the beach, kind of like my mom's boyfriend lives on the beach, but we're gonna head down there and we're gonna visit my mom's boyfriend for her birthday. Let's get into this. Hey guys, okay, so my mother and I, she's not here right now, I'm a loner. Okay, but anyways, my mother and I just stopped at Costco to get some drinks. So yeah, now we're gonna head back on the road. Here we go. Wow guys, what a beautiful day to go down to the beach with this guy right here. This guy, and this girl, very special people right there. You see the connection? I see it. And anyway, we're going to be heading down to the beach. Let's get into this. Look at this. Look at this. Come on, hon. Hi guys. Got it. We're gonna head out on the bike right now. And yeah, let's get this. Let's get this started. Let's get into this. No, I said that. Let's go on our bike ride. Together, right? Together forever. Let's go. Okay guys, that was it for vlog number uno. And this is my day too. Like I didn't know what to do yesterday because I was just at home while my mom and her boyfriend were at the dinners. You know, just ditching me all alone. But anyways, that was it for this vlog number one. Comment down below if you'd like me to do a second vlog, and please like. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the videos to come.